rest of your programs and stuff, and your email and everything else.
Yeah, Chris Tunig would have been the best for the job.
It took you all the way back to your factory settings so you can get into stuff that came with the computer, but anything that's been added since then, it won't do.
Internet Explorer cannot open the internet site.
Really? But it took you there.
Oh, there goes the internet stuff.
I'm not going to get upset.
No.
I already am.
Yeah, you're upset, I think, a little bit.
Oh, very much so.
You think you're going to get the blame for this?
It's not a blame thing. It was just stupidity on our part.
Yeah, I was really hoping to see a motherfucking cocksucker.
Yeah, the number that thing was
I'm
looking
fighting
for.
that off 'cause you're here.
Oh, are you really? I don't have my phone. Brian's using it, so it's not.
You would have needed a box like this, like this, and then you get the key number off of,
Yeah, I've never even seen
off
that.
of the box. Yes, I'm saying from 2003, it was long,
When did
long
you
ago.
do it?
Mine was in 07, whenever me and other Brian over there got the
Yeah.
computers, we
And
upgraded
I was
ours.
already going.
You were already going, you already had the 03 version, we did the 07 version because we got the new system.
Well, it sucks. It really does.
Sorry, Pete.
No, I'm sorrier than you. Believe me, because you're not sorry at all. You're enjoying this.
Yeah, I was really hoping I'd see an
Yeah, I'm
explosion.
fighting back because I could really explode. Really explode.
Where is this guy, man? I need my money. I'm sick and tired of this.
What, the 700?
Yeah.
Oh.
I gotta go wait in the DMV and everything. You know how long of a line that is at the DMV today?